So here we are on an evening, awful weather. I'll show you what we've got today. What's to do? Through here. And that. Let's see how it goes, eh? So, first wash down done, let's have a look at it. Got to get rid of all that now. It's a bit outside. I was recording but the phone dropped up floor. Let's get this washed down. Hello. So I lost you for a bit then, my phone died. But being busy, let's have a look at this now. It's having a rinse down. Let's see back. Miles better than before. Got these copings as well. Steps. Loads better. That's me for today. Bit of a later one tonight. See you again soon.